Hello everyone, welcome to Himalaya IAS class. This is Keshav Sir's IAS Prelims Lens. In this session, we will be discussing modern India questions on freedom struggle. First question, an important aspect of Cripps Mission 1942 was A. That all India states should join Indian Union as a condition to consider any degree of autonomy for India. B. Creation of Indian Union with dominion status very soon after the Second World War. C. The active participation and cooperation of the Indian people, communities, and political parties in the British war effort as a condition for granting independence with full sovereign status to India after war. D. The framing of a constitution for the entire Union with no separate constitution for any province and a union constitution to be accepted by the provinces. So Cripps mission mainly proposed for creation of Indian Union with dominion status soon after the World War II. So that is the correct answer, option B. Next question. During the Indian freedom struggle, the Kudai Kidmagars, also known as the Red Shirts, called for A. The union of Pashtun tribal areas in northwest with the Afghanistan. B. Adoption of terrorist tactics and method for terrorizing and finally ousting the colonial rulers. C. The adoption of communist revolutionary ideology for political and social reform. D. The Pathan regional nationalist unity and a struggle against colonialism. The correct answer is option D. The Kudai Kitmagars were associated with the Pashtun regional nationalist unity and struggle against colonialism. They were not into terrorism. That is, option D is the correct answer. Next question. The last opportunity to avoid the partition of India was lost with the rejection of A. Cripps Mission, B. Rajagopalachari formula, C. Cabinet Mission, D. Wavell Plan. The correct answer is C. Cabinet Mission 1946. That was the last mission that came into India, and its rejection caused the rejection of the partition. There was no more hope for united India. Next question. With reference to the period of extremist nationalist movement in India, with its spirit of Swadeshi, which one of the following statements is not correct? A. Liaquat Hussain led the Muslim peasants of Barisal in their agitations. B. In 1898, the scheme of national education was formulated by Satish Chandra Mukherjee. C. The Bengal National College was founded in 1906 with Aurobindo as the principal. D. Tagore preached the cult of Atma Shakti, the main plank of which was social and economic regeneration of the villages. What is not correct here is option A, which talks about Liaquat Hussain, who led the Muslim peasants in their agitation. All the other options are correct. Next question with reference to Indian freedom struggle. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Hakim Ajmal Khan was one of the leaders to start a nationalist and militant Arhar movement. B. When Indian National Congress was formed, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan opposed it. C. All India Muslim League, which was formed in 1906, vehemently opposed the partition of Bengal and separate electorates. D. Maulana Barkatullah and Maulana Ubaidullah Siddi were among those who formed the provincial government of India in Kabul. The statement which is not correct here is option C. All India Muslim League supported the partition of Bengal and it supported the separate electorates. Next question. Which of the following submitted in 1875 a petition to the House of Commons demanding India's direct representation in the British Parliament? A. Deccan Association. B. Indian Association. C. Madras Mahajan Sabha. D. Purna Sarvajanik Sabha. It was Purna Sarvajanik Sabha that wanted representation in the House of Commons to struggle against India's freedom. Next question. The president of Indian National Congress at the time of the partition of India was A. C. Rajgopalachari, B. J. B. Kriplani, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. The person who was president of INC was J. B. Kriplani, who was present during the partition. J. B. Kriplani and Rajendra Prasad are the two personalities who have took part in the Champaran Satyagraha, which was organized by Mahatma Gandhi ji, the first civil disobedience movement soon as he came into India. Next question. Who among the following leaders proposed to adopt complete independence as the goal of the Congress in the Ahmedabad session of 1920? A. Abdul Kalam Azad. B. Hazrat Mohani. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. 1920 Ahmedabad session, it was Hazrat Mohani who proposed complete independence as a goal of Congress. Later, in 1927, Purna Swaraj Congress, complete independence was adopted by Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. A London branch of the All India Muslim League was established in 1908 under the presidency of A. Aga Khan, B. Amir Ali, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. Jinnah. Amir Khan is the person who established All India Muslim League in London in 1908. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Who among the following was the president of All India States People's Conference in 1939? A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sheikh Abdullah, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The person is B. Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the president of All India State People's Conference. Next question. In this instance, we could not play off the Mohammedans against the Hindus. To which one of the following events did this remark of Atchison relate? A. Revolt of 1857. B. Champaran Satyagraha 1917. Sorry, it should be 1917, not 71. C. Khilafat and Non-Cooperation Movement 1919 to 1922, August Movement of 1942. The answer is Khilafat and Non-Cooperation Movement, which said that Hindu-Muslim unity seems inseparable. Next question. The Indian National Army came into existence in 1943 in A. Japan, B. then Burma, C. Singapore, then Malaya. INA came into existence in 1943 in Singapore. So correct option is C. Next question. As an alternative to the partition of India, Gandhiji suggested to Mountbatten that he A. postpone granting of independence, B. invite Jinnah to form the government, C. invite Nehru and Jinnah to form the government together, D. invite the army to take over for some time. Definitely, Gandhiji would not have proposed D and he would have not proposed A, but instead he has chosen the best option and alternative to be B, invite Jinnah to form the government so that we could avoid the partition altogether. So correct answer is option B. Next question. The native state of Tripura became involved in the freedom movement early in the 20th century because A. The kings of Tripura were always anti-British. B. Bengal revolutionaries took shelter in Tripura. C. The tribes of state were fiercely freedom loving. D. There were already some groups fighting against the kinship and its protector, the British. The correct answer, why Tripura got involved, is because there were already some groups that were fighting against the British. So, correct option is answer D. Next question. After returning from South Africa, Gandhiji launched his first successful satyagraha in A. Chauri Chaura, B. Dandi, C. Champaran, D. Bardoli. The correct answer is C. Champaran. Let's look at the CSAT English comprehension question. Why do people prefer open defecation and not want toilets? Or, if they have them, only use them sometimes? Recent research has shown two critical elements: ideas of purity and pollution, and not wanting pits or septic tanks to fill because they have to be emptied. These are the issues that nobody wants to talk about. But if we want to eradicate the practice of open defecation, we have to be confronting these issues and to be dealt properly. Question: which among the following is the most crucial message conveyed by the above passage? A. The ideas of purity and pollution are so deep rooted that they cannot be removed from the minds of people. B. People have to perceive toilet use and pit emptying as clean and not polluting. C. People cannot change their old habits. D. People have neither the civic sense nor the sense of privacy. See, what is the crucial message being conveyed in the passage is that people have to perceive toilet use and pit emptying as clean and not polluting. It's not telling us the message that it cannot be removed from the minds of people at all and people cannot change their habits. So, correct option is answer B. Thank you.